Hello, 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 hello. Hello, 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 hello. Hello. Hello guys, karon pinatakaroon sa kanan pa. Carmen District Dictate Night Pinoy Icon. Pagtataguyod, pagmamahal at pagsuporta sa lokal na musika ng Pilipinas. Kapistrya Pilipinas. Ano sa guys? Ako masugod guys. Kuwanto na sa kanan. Hey! Yan ay mga guys, army na sila. Extra na sila guys. Naman na lang pala outfit guys. Nasa yung mga pan, mga kushiri. Kaya sila guys. Ano sila guys. Mga department, lain na kanunpaan, parang eskulahan. Nakagaliburon, ay pulpidyo, ay kangya, bukan pa guys. So guys, kaya naraman si Kuansi. Hey ma'am, shout out! Hi ma'am, hello, good evening. May gabi. Guys, mga visitor niyo rin guys. Gabi na. Oh, hello. Hello guys. Hello guys. Dari guys, ay mga naninda ni dire guys. Dari guys. Bios ta guys. Ayan. Guys, nasa dire paan. Quick. Paano magsugod guys? Gawas ta guys. Mana? Balik ta sa sod guys. Mana? Guys, spotted ta guys. Spotted. Karon guys, kay sabtang pa magsugod ang kuan, ang program kay nag picture pa sila guys. Ano sa guys? Mga sheriff. Dito sa pare sa puno. Picture daw. Ay, lang po dito. Ay, lang. Ay. Naman na guys. Nakapicture na sila guys. Natira pa sa tumpaan. Ating lingkuranan. Ito guys. Hello. Ito guys. Pagkaan na kalikuran guys. Pare ko dito kan ang kan. Hello guys, kakain ko na pa guys. Oh. Hello guys, kakain ko pa guys. So ang pangalan ano pa rin? Hello. Also. Mas Charlotte guys, si Juan Ryan. Hello. Charlotte. Teacher. Kabalit siya guys. Guys, tara guys. Kain ko na. Sama ko. Si Pato. Nagdagan ng tao guys. That's it. Hi guys! Guys, picture na sila guys.
silence. First, let us take a moment of silence intended for our dearly departed fellow teachers. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Amen. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Amen. Tonight is one grand night featuring the best of Pinoy musical icon. Ladies and gentlemen, live at Carmen Activity Center, this is the most anticipated Carmen District Debut Night 2024. Disclaimer: the music played during this event, including the hit songs of Boris Kanda, Von Navarro, Karen Cheta, Sara Hieronimo, Gary Valenciano, Michael B., Maymay Itrata, and other icons in the music industry are used solely for entertainment purposes. All rights to the original recordings and compositions are owned by the respective copyright holders. No copyright infringement is intended. Likewise, the images of Pinoy music icons used in this event are for trivia and illustrative purposes only. All rights to these images are owned by the respective copyright holders. No copyright infringement is intended. Reminding also the public to refrain from taking pictures during our doxology. And to begin, may we request everyone to please rise for the prelude to the national anthem to be performed by Cebu Academy School Head Mrs. Chita D. Capono, followed by the doxology to be led by Carmen Christian School Incorporated School Head Ms. Milchi Nayo, and the singing of the Suko hymn.
Isi Raise our flag. Maayong gabi, Cebu.
Maayong gabi, Carmen. Magmamagit o kalingawan o garbo ang atong mga manananaw karong gabi na, Sir Archie. Needless to say, matamabulungon, mabuangon. Maayong gabi ini ang buwan na partner na ako karong gabi na. Maayong gabi, Sir Archie.
Matahong na kagabiyon kini mo, Sir Joey. Brace yourselves, ladies and gentlemen, because we bring to you the celebration of original Pinoy music here on stage tonight. Pinahagin sa nagkalain-laing Pinoy icons.
That's right, for tonight, we'll highlight the talent of Filipino talents. Busa, ayaw bilog pamilog, kuyugi kami, dali na sa
DepEd Garden Teachers Night 2024. Pagtataguyod, pagmamahal at pagsusuporta
sa lokal na musika ng Pilipinas.
And now, to showcase their groove and dance moves, sila mo ang unang hunat, ang unang hirit sa mga nagkalaiyang presentasyon karong gabi na. Right, Sir Joey?
Correct, Sir Archie. Di palupig sa ilang ikit-ikit o kiyay-kiyay. Mga kabloons, mga Pili fans, help us welcome the Beanies of Carmen, District 40, opening salvo!
You
Assistant Schools Division Superintendent of DepEd Cebu Province, Dr. Marcelita Dignos. Education Program Supervisor in LRMDS, Dr. Isaiah Chiagas. Education Program Supervisor in Aralin Panlipunan, Mrs. Rosemary Oliverio. Education Program Supervisor in Filipino, Dr. Jennifer Arteaga. Cebu Province Division Nurse, Ma'am Catherine C. Amal. Public Schools District Supervisor of Asturias, Dr. Arlene D. Buol. We would like also to acknowledge the presence of our LGU officials. Honorable Irene Guantia, SB Member. Honorable Arian Bataupuno, SB Member. Honorable Luis Manula, SB Member. Honorable Rashid Takuko, SB Member. Carmen District would like also to acknowledge the presence of SB Member of Compostela, DepEd Carmen District former PSDS, Honorable Richard Acaso. District would like to introduce these personalities whose service and dedication have made Carmen District as steadfast as it is today. Starting with the retirees. Once again, presenting, ladies and gentlemen, District of Carmen retirees. Please be on stage and make some way. Today because of their dedicated service to Carmen District. secondary teachers of Carmen District. These include the newly transferred teachers to our dear Carmen District. Requesting our newly hired teachers both in elementary and secondary to please be on stage and make some way. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, these are our newly hired teachers of Carmen District. These new batch of teachers in Carmen District are hired for the school year 2023 to 2024. A big hand to our newly hired teachers for both elementary and secondary. For the elementary and secondary teachers, retirees and employees association, the Tapestry officers and board of directors. Presenting to you our dear Carmenanans, the Tapestry officers and the board of directors. Make some way, our dear Tapestry officers. Thank you so much for your dedicated service for and of Carmen District. The last but not the least, let us not forget the non-teaching personnel, including the administrative officers, administrative assistants, and program development officers of Carmen District. Approaching on stage once again, my dear Carmenanans, are the non-teaching personnel, administrative officers, administrative assistants, and program development officers of Carmen District. Make some way for our dear audience. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for your invaluable support to DepEd Carmen District.
4 more, so let us get this going, ladies and gentlemen. And for your information, mga higala, ang atong mga pasundaya gikan sa nakalain-lain nga mga clusters, usa-usab kini kapaindikay. And for us to know the mechanics and the criteria for judging, let me call in the District CID Coordinator and the Capestria Advisor, Dr. Eva A. Chavez. A big hand.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It is my honor to inform everybody the mechanics and general guidelines of the Capestria Night or the DepEd Night. First, all participating schools are pre-clustered. The framework of the performances shall focus on the Filipino icon and the music industry. T-shirt participants shall be categorized in 2 rows: the t-shirt performers and non-performers. The number of t-shirt performers shall have a minimum of 30 t-shirts or more. Monetary contributions shall be classified into regarding the nature and the role of the teachers. contributions shall not exceed to 1,000 pesos only. If the cluster exceeds the amount of 1,000 pesos, they would get 1 point out of 10 in the pre-judging. Non-performers shall contribute 100%, but not exceeding 1,000 pesos. Issue performers shall pay half of the amount agreed in the corresponding cluster. Each performance shall not exceed 5 minutes, excluding the entrance and exit of the performers. If the cluster exceeds 5 minutes, deduction of 5 points in the total performance during the actual presentation. Winners shall be drawn from the performances. Specific criteria shall be the basis for the declaration of winners, the 60-40 rule. The 60 points will be the actual presentation, and the 40 points will be during the pre-judging. Strict monitoring will be done by the association, and those who found cheating, lying will automatically disqualify during the contest proper. Choreographers shall be selected teachers in the cluster who possess the competence to oversee the choreography. Non-teacher or external choreographers are allowed to be taught, but shall be limited to consultation purposes. If external choreographers choreograph the overall performance, they would get 5 points out of 10 during the pre-judging. Makeup artists shall be the selected teachers in the cluster who possess competence in beauty care, excluding the makeup or the transformation of the icon. Non-teacher or external hair and makeup artists are allowed. If external hair and makeup artists are the only one in charge, they would get 5 points out of 10 during the pre-judging. Submission of the documents for the pre-judging, and that is receipts, payroll, documentations, 1-minute AVP, and music will be 3 days before the show from 8 to 12 noon. Those who fail to submit on the date and the time provided, a deduction of 2 points from the total score of the pre-judging. 2 days before the presentation, each cluster already know the pre-judging score at 12 noon. Those who have queries or clarifications, write it in a written form addressed to the association and submit it at 1 to 5 p.m. on the same day. It will be dealt professionally. A day before the presentation, the decision of the pre-judging is final and irrevocable. Monetary awards and plaque will be given to the top 3 overall performers. For non-winners, they will be given a consolation prize and certificates. Special awards like Most Disciplined Cluster, Most Numbered Cluster, Darling of the Crowd, Totally Transformed Icon, Best in AVP, Best Choreographer, Best in Choreography. Members of the Technical Working Group and teacher choreographers shall be exempted from the monetary contribution but to be identified by the capacity. Utilization of hand props is allowed if it meets the specific guidelines. Teacher choreographers, Technical Working Group, Overall Director, Capestria BODs shall be given recognition during the Teachers' Day celebration. Prepared by our Capestria President, Sir Alan Argawanan, the Capestria Advisors, and our Public Schools District Supervisor, Rosario Canunda. For the criteria for judging, this is 60 points. Accuracy of lip sync, 20%. Performance or on-stage presence, 15. Costume and appearance, 10. Choreography and movement, 10. Overall entertainment, 5. A total of 16. This is the 60 points. That's all. Thank you and let's enjoy that. Good evening.
Ang atong mga nagkalain mga pasundayan, mga hinala, gikan sa 7 ka cluster. giandaman, gihaguan sa ating mga picture performance. And it is only right to have 7 experts to determine the rightful winners. And to introduce our panel of actual winners for tonight, let's hear it from the District CNA Coordinator and Publicity Advisor, Mr. Frederick C. Wolf.
The year 2019, Miss Department of Education, Eloan, Cebu, the year 2019, Miss Lupo, Philippines, in the year 2023, Miss Cebu, Technology University Games, the year 2024, and a candidate for a Miss Conciliation in the year 2024. The second judge I am referring to is none other than Miss Sarah Hudson. Was graduated Bachelor of Science in Secondary Education, major in Physical Education at Cebu Normal University, Prominence Muslim College, class 1998. He was a former member and makeup artist of Cebu Normal University, dance troupe, and Cebu Normal Kerala. A former faculty member and cultural of St. Mary's Academy in Cebu City from the year 1998 to 2002. Became the Cebu Province teacher in Maya National High School since 2004 at the present, and a school cultural coordinator and dance troupe advisor. Was a member of the Cebu Province Teachers Performing Arts under the control of our SDS Singing Pauline. He attended the following seminars and workshops: Sanay Guru National Seminar Workshop in Baguio City, National Dance Workshop held in Bigan City, Ilocos, Senior Escuela for Senior High School Teachers and Cultural Center of the Philippines, Regional Dance Workshops for published and unpublished dances held in Applied Nutrition Center in Cebu City. A facilitator and demonstrator attended Cebu Province dance workshops. A lead dancer and a dance master of Haladaya contingent of Municipality of Daan Bantayan in the Pasicargo sa Cebu and the Sinulog Festival Grand Showdown. A trainer and facilitator of Saludo for Cebu Province delegation since 2004 up to 2018 during the opening ceremony of Sibiraa. A pageant director and choreographer of Master Cebu Province held in Carmel, Viva, the year 2015-2016. President of the Cebu Province Division Culture and Arts Company with Ma'am Dinita Harare as the supervisor and our mentor. A senior high school PE teacher who advocate health and wellness and the love of our rich Filipino cultural heritage, and a certified lover of visual and performing arts. Ladies and gentlemen, the chairman of the Board of Judges, Mr. Dio Rosel Aton III.
Sir Board and get towards our competent panel of adjudicators. How about giving them another warm round of applause? And at this, President, thank you for gracing the event. This year's Teachers' Night is a showcase of our innate Filipino talent. Ang atong mga pasundayag nagpakita sa mga nagkadaiyang musika, sayaw o pasundayag
Pinoy.
Yes, Sir Archie. O pinitungod o alang sa atong balaang patron, si Lord San Agustin, o sa ika-173rd Town Fiesta Celebration. O makita nato dinini sa atong entablado ang inyong mga mom o sir in their best dashing and sparkling attires, signifying how grand their own Pinoy icon represents.
Di na tawagan Sir Joey Sugdan Gayong Dato, kay nagkahinaw na ang atong mga mananaway din sa Claremont Activities Center.
Agree with Kuana Sir Archie, and to officially welcome us all, let me call in the father of DepEd Carmen District for the welcome message. Let's put our hands together for Mr. Lucerio L. Camungay.
Some of our Filipino singing and dancing icons. Hopefully, you will enjoy our show, my dear Carmenanos. Our activity tonight, sing to the festivity of St. Augustine behind.
Thank you so much, Sir Mayor Public Schools District Supervisor, for that warm welcome. Truly, Teachers Night is one of the most anticipated nightly activities during the week-long Fiesta celebration. Next point, mag-aaligala to give his Fiesta message. It is my privilege to call on stage the Education Committee Chairman, the Honorable Rashid Tabugo. A big hand, please.
Good evening. Maraming gabi na kapitan. Maraming gabi. I know you're all very excited to watch the performance of our very talented teaching force of Carmen. But first of all, I would like to greet sa very important to kayo mga bisita, the guest from the division office, sa ato ang mga ligana, sa ato ang mga kauban ng mga members, sa ato ang mga judges, the whole teaching force of Carmen, sa ilang mga family na natin yun para makakinala sa performance sa ilang pinangga. Sa akong mga kaisunan sa Carmen, sa nakalain-lain na eskulahan, may gabi, kinatong tanan. Wala sa tanan, magpasalamat ko sa tanan and behalf ni Mayor. Medyo pina-upload ko yung message. Kaya wala ka na informally, but in behalf ni Mayor, kinasing-kasing magpasalamat ito sa Tibuok District of Carmen sa inyong permanente na suporta sa tanang kalihukan diri sa atong lungsod sa kalihukan makanunayon ng pagpangga sa atong mga estudyante. I know dili sa iyon ang inyong iingagihan everyday para lang yun to push para magtulong, pag-teach, pag-mold, maayo para sa mayang umat sa atong mga kabananunan. For that, ako mga kaigsunan diri sa Carmen, nato ang taga-masibag-pagpag ato ang district of Carmen sa ilang sobra na suporta na nato diri sa Carmen. I know, di na mong kahuwan no, and we have the mayor, nagkasalamat mag-usap, and I hope we are going to enjoy the night. Ay nakikita ko kung doon sa nila di preparahan to make this night very special to us. So, congratulations in advance sa mga teachers, sa mga teaching force. Congratulations, and let's have a good night. Thank you, Pastor. Thank you so much, Honorable Rashid B. Dakukong, Board Member in 5th District, Honorable Mike Filimo. A big hand, please.
Consistently ranked #1 top-performing district representative in the Philippines, Deputy Speaker Congressman Duke Frasco's dynamic and visionary leadership has raised the bar for excellence in government services. In 2007, Duke Frasco was elected one of Cebu's youngest mayor, city age of 26. The municipality of Iloan benefited from its youth and vitality, quickly transforming the third-class town into a first income-class hub for housing and local government services. Focusing on quality health and social services and investing in infrastructure, we improved the quality of life of the people of Iloan, prioritizing education with a scholarship program benefiting thousands of young students and their families. He is the son of Iloan's beloved mayor, the late Panfil Frasco, and a great-grandson of Titay Frasco, the founder of the world-famous Titay's Iloan Studios. He grew up in the United States and worked for an international auditing firm after finishing a degree in business finance and accountancy at the Loyola Marymount University, California. Years after the untimely passing of his father, and under the request of Iloan's Barangay Captain's Union for Change, Duke gave up his green card and came home to the Philippines to take a leap of faith in service to the Filipino people. After serving 9 years as mayor of Iloan, Duke was elected vice mayor. Shortly thereafter, Duke was appointed by President Rodrigo Duterte as Commissioner of the Cebu Port Authority. In the 2019 elections for Congressman of the 5th District of Cebu, Duke made history as he toppled the dynasty that ruled the district for 70 years, ushering in much-needed hope and change in the promise of progress. Re-elected to a second term in 2022 with a landslide victory, Congressman Duke Frasco has continued to make a lasting impact on the lives of millions of Cebuanos. In his first term as representative, Congressman Duke has principally offered a total of 150 House bills and resolutions, relentless in support for the education of the youth. He authored Republic Act No. 11751, or known as an act establishing a Cebu Technological University CTU campus in the municipality of Iloan and the municipality of Port Cebu, with Congressman Duke's scholarship program. Close to 16,000 young students now have guaranteed access and opportunities for quality education with government support for lesser-income families. Through Congressman Duke Frasco's leadership, a massive project is underway. The eastern portion of North Cebu will have a direct link to the western portion, cutting traffic and hours of travel time through the Asturias Iloan Road that will traverse the mountains. Another first of its kind in northern Cebu will be the Iloan's Olympic standard running track oval in Bandstand that will provide world-class facilities promoting health, education, and sports, now made available to Cebuanos outside of the facilities in Metro Cebu. And just recently, Congressman Duke Frasco with President Bongbong Marcos and Vice President Sara Duterte inaugurated Pier 88, Cebu's first smart port that will have decongest traffic in Metro Cebu, particularly in Consolacion and Valley City, by providing an alternative mode of transport. Pier 88 will also provide an added economic gain to Iloan and its surrounding municipalities and cities and the rest of northern Cebu, creating massive opportunities of livelihood, employment, commerce, trade, and tourism. And finally, living a multi-generational legacy of hope and change under Congressman Duke Frasco is a building of the Camotes Domestic Airport in the municipality of San Francisco, which will give direct access via air travel to the 4 municipalities in Camotes, which is currently only accessible by sea. All these and more have made Congressman Duke Frasco top 1 district representative with a performance rating of 95.6%. Congressman Vic Frasco continues to draw inspiration and strength from the love and support of his wife, the Secretary of the Department of Tourism, Secretary Cristina Garcia Frasco, and his 4 lovely children, Sophia, Liam, Franco, and Ruby X. Congressman Vic Frasco, ang paglaong sa Quinto.
Step that our vision statement, which is to produce learners compassionate enough to country.
Recurring
and love for country will always start and spark with loving our culture.
Asa ka na sa pantry sa
Tonight is a
counter.
jump off point.
Nya kuan karon kay awa pa man pista. Nabali naman ni naka bisita ba kami sa batas. Una nga bay. Wala ni. Last naman ni. Pero ako pag suot kaya datong karaan na katong bagoro na kuan. Nalik basaan mo sa mukha. Dito na mao na ra ba niya mo. Kuan inahan na sa pito ka lungsod. Oh, mao ni. Ato nga po. Si Juan ako naman mag-invite. Katong trainer na ko sa una sa dining ba. Wala ka kayo ba? Si Kapuyan ba? Kapuyan. Ato na. Aris ako. Ana ra ka. Tala pa ko. Huwag ka man magsugod. Akong kuan manghod kay ikatulo pa mong purple. Nakapay speech. Aris ako. Bye-bye. Ha? Undo?
Sa atong nasod. Sa kapanimalay ang inyong pakigugma sa atong nasod kay nahigugma kamo sa atong kultura. Again, congratulations, Carmen. I know na nagpanikad na ang tanan ng present, so dili na lang magutason. Mayong gabi ka na itong tanan, ginaupunta, makinig akong pasundayan karong kabilunan, tupatak sa mga alipatatan sa kasing-kasing, sa atong mga tumatanaw, alam atong mapugaw ang bugma sa atong nasod, pinaagi sa pagdaig sa atong kultura. To you all, thank you very much for the invitation, Carmen. Congratulations, Deb and Carmen, and let's enjoy the rest of the evening. Thank you very much.
Next part of Manila. Be ready, be thrilled and behold for Carmen District School Administrators with non-teaching across Carmen District, school administrators with non-teaching personnel and district staff. At this point, I would like to acknowledge the board members, Mike Villamor staff, Mr. Christopher Saki Castro. Good sir, good evening. Mga higala, this is it, Sir RJ. Still yourselves, ladies and gentlemen. Get ready, for we are onto the contest proper.
For sure, andam na good ang atong mga audience, and of course, andam na ang atong mga teacher performers, Sir Joey. Because we hold and we are going to witness the Dapat Carmen District bringing in the best of the original Pinoy music, presenting the Pinoy Icons.
Filipinos are built different in terms of talent and love for music. No matter where you are, Pinoys can be distinguished by our singing ability. This evening, 7 Pinoy icons converge into 7 clusters for tonight's performance, featuring Karin Sita from Cluster 1,
Sarah Geronimo from Cluster 2,
Juan Navarro from Cluster 3,
Michael V from Cluster 5,
Gary Valenciano from Cluster 5,
and Vice Genda from Cluster 6,
and Maymay Intrata from Cluster 7.
Without much ado, let us put the dance floor on fire for our first performer. Our first Pinoy icon is a Filipino comedian, an actor, a dancer, a recording artist, and a television host. He is known for his iconic comedic roles of Agent X44, known for being Mr. Suave in Spider-Man parody film The Dragon Boy. He is a regular host in ABS-CBN's new time variety show, It's a Showtime. He was also part of the dance group Street Boys, a lone fellow with his Showtime host, John Hilario. Ladies and gentlemen, from Cluster 3, the teacher performers from Elpidio I. Dios Elementary School, headed by Dr. Eva A. Chavez, Mrs. Isabel B. Tabuco of Florentino Ralios Elementary School, Mrs. Agnes A. Sanico of Francisco S. Villamor Elementary School, Mr. Achilles D. Cababan of Sacod Elementary School, Mrs. Alma B. Dominguez of the Nipga Elementary School, and Mr. Cholito B. Campo of Isabel Mies Elementary School, with their teacher choreographer, Mrs. Janice Faith Olivernes, and teacher hair makeup artist, Mrs. Lorena C. Mercader, Mrs. Annie Rose Hopia, Ms. Leatrice Shelos, and Mrs. Giselle M. Dion. Friends, ladies and gentlemen, let's say hello to Bob Navarro!
Ilagay po natin ang ating nararamdaman sa dibdib ng ating katawan. Isuot po natin ang mga mabuti at sabay-sabay po natin awitin ang pambansang awit ng mga swari. Nasa ulog ba ang
Francisco S. Memorial Elementary School, Cyclone Elementary School, and Laninka Elementary School, together with Isabel Yes. Ladies and gentlemen, kahit sa tinuray lang mga higala, performers by nature, digning inyong mga magtutudlo sa motivation towards learning. O primerong cluster para mga higala. And now, our next icon. He began his career in 1984 with the release of his self-titled debut album in succeeding years. He has ventured on screen with appearance on several films and television shows. He is currently part of ABS-CBN's contract artist and one of the mainstay hosts of ASA. And now to perform here on stage by no other than the Cluster 5, composing of Cantumog National High School, headed by Mr. Jezreel Bermejo, Mr. Clemente H. Obsedi of Carmen National High School 9, and Mrs. Ruby May C. Maliana of Kaurasan National High School, with teacher choreographer Mrs. Rosaline N. Campo and featured hair and makeup artists, Mrs. Chariza Pitogo, Mrs. Melinda Pacquiao, and Mrs. Jackie Delantor. Friends, once again, Mr. Pure Energy, Gary V.
Pure passion, pure talent, pure purpose, pure love, pure energy.
Live at Corman Activity Center, the pure energy himself, experience
to perform the hit songs of Max Turban, Elizabeth Ramsey, Emilio Papi, Rico J. Puno, Ellie Vindia, and Fred Pino Panopio. Let's welcome from Sacon Elementary School, Mr. Aquiles D. Cababan. From Cantulog National High School, Mr. Nelson Lozano. From Carmen National High School Day, Mrs. Catherine C. Tundo. And from Florentino Reyes Elementary School, Mrs. Jamin P. Peralta. A round of applause, please.